You're supposed to ride it like that.
Neither do I. Welcome back to TNT's Garage. Well guys, we got something a little different. We got two 1984 Kawasaki 550 and 440 jet skis. We got these things about 5 years ago. We haven't been working on the truck because it's been kind of hot outside, and we thought this would be kind of something a little different and fun for the summer. Hopefully we can get these things running. If not, my grandpa has two 550s, 85, so he might have to come over and help us get these things all dialed in. They should need some batteries, starters, and some new gas. Spark plugs, and they should be runners. We got the expert here.
That guy. Start the car. Hold on. We've been smoking.
Yeah, the block.
Down into the block. Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Okay.
That one and that one. It's Coast Guard approved. Oh yeah. We're sanding this part where it's like all the paint's peeling.
Why are we doing that?
To paint the trailer.
Why do we need this trailer in the first place?
Jet skis. Yeah. Now we're taping up the lights and taking them off.
Oh yeah.
Good.
We need to be sponsored by Rust-Oleum with how much we use this stuff.
Put the spark plugs in.
Town sucks.
Ice surfing.
No.
It's Talon's first time in mixing gas. Gotta eat the Reese's first. Shove it in the toolbox. Okay, so we're mixing up the gas. And got the two-stroke life going. This just doesn't feel right. Bet I got the perfect ratio. We hope. Purple! Okay. It's purple now. The gas. You think that? Let's go get a bigger screw. I won't. Gotta do it. Did you actually drop a screw down there, bro?
Almost.
Now, do you think that's gonna cover that hole? Maybe my finger.
Get a thicker one.
I've tried.
I'll do my finger. Holy crap, man.
I'm pro two-stroke gas shaker. Back in my day when I had two-stroke. You can put a hole in the bag.
Okay, Austin, we'll come get you in about 5 minutes.
He's very good at keeping the gas in the tank.
Buddy.
He's like spewing it all. Yes. I'm pro two-stroke gas shaker.
Do you want to tell us your technique?
Shake and bake. Shake and bake.
Look, say it one more time. Shake and bake!
Yes.
You about done?
I think it'll be good.
It's up to you, coach.
Screw that drum. Easy, 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 bro. You just cross-threaded it. Some things in life aren't meant to just get ramrodded into things.
That's Austin's middle name, though.
I had to shake that thing and you can't even lift it up.
clue. I hope we're doing this right.
But he can't even lift up a gas can.
Hey, you're
Yeah.
gonna lose brain cells. Don't sniff that.
We need some for the other one.
Can't wait to smell like gas all over my clothes for the rest of the night.
It's my everyday life, man. Take a shower in gas. A little rundown. We did the starter, run both of them. Then we did the battery. Now we're mixing the gas. And
We already mixed the gas.
Put lots of
Pouring the gas.
Pouring the gas. My bad. Put a lot of WD-40. in
No,
there.
we didn't
You're
know,
funny.
Austin. They were just a little seized up, so some WD-40 down the head didn't hurt nobody. Slow as piss.
Slowest NASCAR.
Pit stop, jet ski stop ever.
Yeah, Ferrari got 2.5 seconds, man.
Buddy, we filled the full tank on this one.
You said keep going.
I don't know why you put more gas in this one. This one has less CCs. It's gonna take less gas.
Yeah, but
It's gonna be more fuel efficient than the other one.
this can be the tow rig
Okay,
for that
that's
when
fine.
that. This will be the tow rig for the when that one breaks. So either
They
way,
don't break.
You have to have. It's a Yamaha Kawasaki.
It's not a Yamaha.
Kawasaki.
Don't even curse my bikes.
Kawasaki.
Come on, Betsy, you got it.
She went.
Oh, look at that. That's good. Ready?
For all you, this is just a way to the gas tank.
When I give it, throttle it.
Go full choke.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go ahead and pull the choke back in. Give it a little. Start it.
Here.
She's running.
Sick.
Get rid of the board. You probably want to pre-drill so you don't split.
Got the drill. You saw us get those started, so we're gonna redo this trailer. Yeah, so there's like wood here, and the old wood's bad, so we're making new wood, and we got the other wood. So,
I thought you don't. I thought you don't make wood.
so there's a bunch of wood here.
Cut down the trees near him and got him.
Go three. Go three or other board.
Here.
Gymnastics. For my balance.
It's just to protect the ski. We'll just do it all the way down.
Get it? Howdy.
You idiot. You want me to like video your butt or what's going on?
Just working, sorry.
Sorry about that.
My bad.
Just get off the carpet already.
Oh man, these.
Quick intermission.
How the YouTube video describes Springer Noodles. Just like that, but he's
Yeah.
never like it. Okay, so we're on our way to the DMV to get these jet skis registered. They were my dad's uncle's, so I don't know, my grandpa's brother's jet skis. I think it's
We
over
just
here.
rolled up to the DMV.
So anyway, we came all the way out here to freaking DMV, and they said that we can't get registration because we don't have a title, so we have to go through this whole process of lost title and all this other crap. Okay, so we're able to get the registration for the jet skis. It's now like September, and we like 3 months into it now, but hopefully we'll be able to go out to the lake now and be all sorts of legal.
It's gonna turn over. Yes. I need air.
You go in the water for air? Are you a fish?
They're going.
He landed on me. Where does this guy think he is? I tried to wheelie, it doesn't work. Not heavy enough. I forgot how fun those things were. That's what I thought. He's enjoying himself so much. You gotta get the end out of the water. Just shut off. Well guys, we were able to take these guys out to the lake yesterday. This one kind of ran like crap, but we were able to drive it around. So we got some tuning to do on this one. This one ran phenomenal. But if you guys would like to see extra jet ski content in the future, let us know.
Thanks for watching. Thank you to our Uncle Kevin and our Aunt Becky
For letting us have these jet skis.